Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unsend or delete all your Discord messages within like 1 minute. So you can just delete like thousands of messages within just a couple minutes permanently. It's a new method, it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you guys just how to. So first you want to go download something called Tamper Monkey. It's just basically a script runner. You probably have it if you've done any sort of like coding or something on your browser with JavaScript. So just look up install Tamper Monkey. If you are on Chrome, it might be be a thing for Microsoft Edge and Firefox as well, but I'm not sure about that. But we're doing this on Chrome, and basically this is going to be what it looks like. And you just want to add to Chrome and add extension, and then within a couple seconds it should download. And by the way, the script we're going to be using is obviously you can see the script before you actually run it, so you can see if it's like a virus or not. But all these scripts on like Greasy Fork and stuff are pretty much all trusted. But yeah, so it's enabled right now and we have no scripts running. So you're going to have your Tamper Monkey extension here. Just click on it and click on Dashboard, and it should take you to your home page where there's no scripts installed. And then you want to go to the link in my description. It's an AdFly link to the Greasy Fork link. So once you are taken to this page, do not click anything. These are all just like ads. Just wait on the top right for like 3 seconds and click skip ad, and it should ask you to allow. I don't think you have to allow, or you can allow and then literally just delete them either. So I'm gonna go in my settings later and just block notifications again. And basically you just want to click on install this script, and it's going to automatically put it into your Tamper Monkey here, and you just want to click on install. And if you want to see, if you think it's a virus or something, you can just read through the code yourself to see what it does. And you just want to click install, and then once it's installed and you go to install user scripts, we can F5, just refresh it, and as you can see, the script is right here and it's enabled. So right now we have nothing here. There's supposed to be a trash icon that shows up here, just another function that the script has. So if we refresh this page, it should have a trash icon, yeah. So let's start deleting things. So I'm going to demonstrate very quick. I'm going to just text a bunch of things here, and then within like 1 second we're just going to delete all of it. So you want to click on the trash icon right on the very top right corner of your Discord, right next to the question mark. You're going to click on it, and then you just want to click on get, this blue get button for everything. So get. So this automatically just takes all the information of the current channel you're in, so it can delete everything. And then you don't have to do any of these. If you leave it just on this, it's just gonna delete everything. But if you want, you can set like a time, I guess. And then for delay, I think if you click on start, it's gonna tell you it's gonna take 20 seconds to delete like 20. That's like 1 message per second. If you want to make it faster, you can like put it to some negative amount, I believe. See if this makes it less than 20 seconds. This is 17 seconds, so I think we can go a little more. 17 doesn't make a difference. And 34. Oh, we're going back to 1000. Okay, if we can do 500, and this should be good enough. 7 seconds to delete like these 20 messages. You can obviously make it faster, but just click OK, and then it should just all delete like immediately. And that's pretty much all for this video. It's pretty simple. It's safe. It's a legitimate method to just delete all your Discord messages. If you said some like bad things and you just want to get like rid of them immediately before someone can screenshot them, this is an easy way to just do it. This only works on browser Discord, by the way, so there is none for well, there's at least no script for app Discord. There probably is a way though. You can leave a comment if you want me to do a video on mass deleting on browser Discord. But yeah, that's all. Bye bye.